Now here is my text and we will talk about character formatting. Just go to your type button right here, click on it and choose character. As you can see, character panel would appear before you. Now search for font, which font you want to apply. For example, I am interested in Leto. Type Leto. There you go. As you can see, my font has been applied. Many people select all the text and then try to apply font. That's good, but this is a bad practice, right? Now my font has a family. I can choose which family member I want to apply. There you can see hairline, hairline italic. I can apply any, right? As you can see, italic, bold, bold italic. There you go. And the second button is for font size. As you can see, here you can choose the size of your font. Click on it and choose 14 or any size you want. There you go. You can choose 24 depending on the requirement, right? What if I want to change the size of a particular line? Just select it, double click on it and select it and change the size. There you go. And the second button is for line spacing. As you can see, it's on auto. You can change it manually if you want to. 18, 24, 24 pt is best in magazines, right? And the next buttons are kernings and trackings. You can play with them. As you can see, the space between alphabets is increasing as I increase my tracking, right? And these two buttons are for vertical and horizontal scaling. As you can scale them up, as you can see, there you go, right? Or you can scale them horizontally. There you go, right? How does it work? You can see. Well, baselines are not available here right now, but you can see baseline effect from here. As you increase the value, baseline shift occur, right? Another is skew button. You want to italicize your text or not, depending on your requirement. In the next lecture, we will talk about paragraph. Paragraph is very important, right?